There is a gap in our transportation picture. The solution, as it has been in the long-range travel, is to go up and over the crowded conditions below. To take the shortest distance between 2 points. To use the broad highway in the sky. On the continent, the helicopter has gone international, speeding passengers between Paris and Brussels and other European cities. Here, the helicopter flying from the heart of one city to the heart of another enables passengers actually to outspeed the faster fixed-wing airliners as far as elapsed time is concerned. In Brussels, for example, only a 3-minute cab ride separates the heliport from the city's largest hotel.